So yesterday I did this head and these eyebrows because I found a tutorial on how to do Gulliver from Animal Crossing, and I didn't think it was going to turn so well, but when I finished the head I was like, maybe I should make a video about it. So here we are. Now we're going to do the beak. Now that I have done also the beak, you can kind of see how it's going to look like, because the beak is going to go something like this, and it's going to go on top here. So now it starts to get some shape. Here I have the eyebrows, and also I found these buttons. In the original pattern they use kind of like a touch felt and some googly eyes or something like that, but I want to use buttons. These are exactly the bigness that I need, but I need to paint them because they are green, and we all know that Gulliver doesn't have green eyes. I think I'm going to maybe do the hat now, and I will see if I will start with the body today.
I've been thinking about myself today, thinking how I changed, how I really don't care if you are here or if you don't stay. Now I'm feeling those winter blues, but I don't wanna cry. All we ever do is laugh it off, and I'm sick and I don't know why. Do you remember that night we met? I thought you looked so fine. Guess we have to agree to disagree for this one last time. Pretty weird that day when we did not exchange our hellos. I wasn't looking out for you, I'm sorry, I'm so shallow. But I'm still looking forward to watching part 2 of Deathly Hallows with you. Much at all here in this small town, 'cause in the end we're all buried deep inside the same hole in the ground. I've been thinking about myself today, thinking how I changed, how I really don't care if you are here or if you don't stay. Now I'm feeling those winter blues, but I don't wanna cry. 'Cause all we ever do is laugh it off, and I'm sick and I don't know why. Do you remember that night we met? I thought you looked so fine.
So here you can see the end result. He looks so nice. He turned quite big. I expected him to be just slightly bigger, but here you can see 2 of my mistakes. I saw his face a little bit crooked and the tail as well, so to make sure you don't make the same mistakes as I did. And here you can see how pretty he looks. I will leave the tutorial down on the description, and we'll see you soon.